In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link menu items to anchors on Wix. Whether you're a beginner or familiar with Wix's interface, this step-by-step guide will simplify the process and help you enhance your website's navigation. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, look for the page icon on the left side of your screen. It's your gateway to accessing the different pages within your site. Go ahead and give that a click. Now that you've opened your pages, it's time to decide which menu you want to link to an anchor. Think of this as choosing which section of your website will be made easily accessible for your users. Once you've made your selection, click on the page to open its settings. You will notice an option labeled Change Link. This is a crucial step where you'll actually link your selected menu item to an anchor. Click on this to open the link settings dialog. When you're in the link settings, you'll see a few options, including one for section or anchor. Selecting this option will allow you to connect the menu item directly to a specific part of your page. You might be wondering why you would need this, and the reason is simple. It's a great way to streamline navigation for users who might want to jump to specific sections without scrolling. Once you've selected it, the next decision is to specify where on the page. This is where you'll pinpoint the exact section that the menu item should link to. If you have existing anchors, choose the desired section like services for example. But if you don't have an anchor yet, no worries, Wix makes it easy to add one. Simply click on Add New Anchor. An anchor acts like a digital bookmark on your page, allowing easy access through menu links. After clicking, you'll want to name your new anchor. Give it a descriptive name that helps you identify it later. Then you'll encounter the Anchor URL option. This is where you can fine-tune your website's navigation by editing the URL suffix, ensuring it's both user-friendly and logical. If needed, make adjustments here to align with your site's structure or preferences. And there you have it. You've successfully linked a menu item to an anchor on Wix. This enhancement will make navigating your site a breeze for your visitors. It's a small change but a powerful way to improve the user experience. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Feel free to replay any part if you need additional clarity. Thanks for watching and happy editing.